Hello car enthusiasts! In this video, we'll take a detailed look at the 2025 BYD Seal RWD model. This electric vehicle combines rear-wheel drive and performance to capture attention. Let's dive into all the exciting features of this model together. Before we begin, if you'd like to support us, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. The front profile of the 2025 BYD Seal presents a dynamic and modern look. Slim LED headlights add elegance, while the wide grille design creates a bold first impression. The design details around the headlights emphasize the car's sporty character. Additionally, the aerodynamic lines optimize airflow, increasing efficiency. The flowing lines on the side profile make the BYD Seal look sleek. Large glass surfaces enhance the interior's spaciousness, while sharp lines on the doors support the car's dynamic structure. The wide wheel arches give the car a stable and aesthetic appearance. It comes with standard 19-inch wheels, with optional 20-inch wheels that further enhance its sporty look. The rear profile offers a modern aesthetic with horizontal LED taillights. A spoiler improves aerodynamic performance, providing stability at high speeds. The trunk provides practical space for everyday use, making it essential for meeting the needs of drivers. The 2025 BYD Seal measures 4,800 millimeters in length, 1,875 millimeters in width, and 1,460 millimeters in height. These dimensions offer a spacious interior, ensuring passengers can sit comfortably. Furthermore, the 2,920 millimeter wheelbase improves the vehicle's stability. The 2025 BYD Seal offers a modern and stylish interior. The cabin, designed with high-quality materials, creates a luxurious atmosphere. Ergonomic front seats provide comfort for long trips, while the generous legroom in the back ensures a relaxed seating experience for passengers. The central 15.6-inch touchscreen forms the core of the infotainment system. With Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support, smartphone integration becomes effortless. Advanced sound insulation reduces external noise, providing a quieter driving experience. The BYD Seal RWD is equipped with a premium sound system featuring high-quality speakers and a subwoofer, elevating the music experience. A panoramic sunroof adds a sense of openness, while special LED lighting enhances the ambience. Practical storage spaces ensure small items are neatly organized. Various color and material options allow you to personalize the interior to your taste. The trunk offers 53 liters of space in the front and 400 liters in the rear, totaling 453 liters, allowing you to easily carry your daily necessities and travel items. The 2025 BYD Seal is equipped with an electric motor paired with a rear-wheel drive system. This setup enhances driving dynamics, delivering a thrilling and enjoyable experience. The motor generates 150 kilowatts, approximately 204 horsepower. This powerful motor produces 360 nanometers of torque, allowing the vehicle to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 5.9 seconds. The rear-wheel drive system, combined with the motor's power, provides better balance and handling, particularly advantageous in corners and during sudden accelerations. The BYD Seal RWD features a 1-speed automatic transmission, leveraging instant torque to provide a seamless driving experience. Quick and smooth transitions enable easy maneuvering in traffic. In terms of energy efficiency, this model stands out with an energy consumption of only 15 kWh per 62 miles, offering an eco-friendly and economical driving experience. The range depends on the battery option. The standard battery provides a range of approximately 326 miles, while the larger battery option offers around 373 miles. These range figures are based on WLTP standards and may vary depending on driving conditions, weather, and other factors. The 2025 BYD Seal offers fast and efficient charging options with modern electric vehicle technology. Using a standard home AC charger takes about 9-11 hours to fully charge the vehicle. But for those seeking a quicker solution, there's DC fast charging. At fast charging stations, the BYD Seal can reach 10% to 80% charge in approximately 30 minutes, which is a significant advantage for long journeys and quick energy needs. The vehicle's regenerative braking system recovers energy during braking, helping to extend the range. Moreover, the Seal is equipped with BYD's Blade battery technology, which stands out for its longer lifespan, higher safety, and improved energy efficiency. In summary, the BYD Seal offers ideal range and fast charging capability, making everyday use more convenient. both in city driving and long-distance trips. The 2025 BYD Seal RWD stands out with its dynamic driving experience. Thanks to its rear-wheel drive system, the advanced suspension improves road handling while maintaining ride comfort. Whether driving in the city or on long journeys, it offers a smooth and balanced experience. The electric steering provides precise and controlled handling, enhancing both safety and maneuverability, especially in corners. Different driving modes let you adjust to your preferred driving style. Comfort mode offers a relaxed drive, while Sport mode engages the motor's full power for faster, more dynamic performance. Economy mode maximizes energy efficiency, extending the vehicle's range. In addition, the regenerative braking system recovers energy during braking, increasing efficiency and helping to extend range for everyday use. The vehicle also comes equipped with advanced ADAS technology, providing features like lane keeping assistance and adaptive cruise control. Plus, the integration of LiDAR technology enhances the car's autonomous driving capabilities, making driving safer and more convenient. The 2025 BYD Seal competes with strong contenders like the Tesla Model 3, Hyundai Ioniq 6, and Nissan Leaf. Tesla Model 3 is known for its high performance and advanced driving technologies, while Hyundai Ioniq 6 stands out for its modern design and efficiency. The Nissan Leaf is an appealing option thanks to its affordability and long range. BYD Seal sets itself apart by offering a strong price-to-performance ratio. With its spacious interior, modern technologies, and competitive pricing, it's a powerful alternative, especially for users seeking a balance between performance and budget. BYD Seal owners are particularly impressed with the vehicle's performance, spacious interior, and advanced technological features. The quiet driving experience and smooth acceleration have received positive feedback from many users. The driving dynamics, powerful motor, and easy maneuverability in city traffic are among the other praised aspects. Additionally, users appreciate the energy-saving regenerative braking system and the vehicle's long range. However, some users have expressed a desire for more color options, interior customization, and broader personal settings for a more tailored experience. Overall, the BYD Seal stands out as an electric vehicle that meets user expectations on a large scale. In conclusion, the 2025 BYD Seal presents a significant alternative in the electric vehicle market. With its modern design, high performance, and user-friendly features, it is a vehicle that offers comfort for both daily use and long trips. Combining eco-friendliness with efficiency, it is an excellent choice for those seeking a performance-oriented vehicle. If you're looking for cutting-edge technology, long-range, and fast-charging capabilities, the BYD Seal is definitely a model worth considering. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found this review of the BYD Seal RWD informative. We'd love to hear your thoughts or questions in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more electric vehicle content. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.